Want Firefox to show the touch keyboard only when you need it? In this guide, I'll show you how to enable or disable the touch keyboard in Firefox. Open Firefox. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Browsing section. Find the option Show a touch keyboard when necessary. To disable it, uncheck the box. To enable it, check the box. The changes take effect immediately. No need to save. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.